Arthur's point of view, it's the PTA's mention all the 7 members living here as a family. Women wanna go to club to do party with their friends but Jin denied them because they are still underage. Women asked permission to Hobie first. He allowed them but later denied after knowing about club things. Women became sad and didn't eat their dinner too. At night, when Cook went to them, then they told him about their problem. He unknowingly gave them idea. Women sneaked out from the house. But Cook started planning to take him with them, otherwise he will tell this to everyone. He wanna go to club just for eating tasty dishes. Women didn't have any other choice rather than taking him with themselves. They all got drunk. They were walking on the road in the drunken street. Cook was walking on the street but met with an electric pole and started talking and hitting him. Women joined him too. T climbed on an electric pole to break its teeth. Let's see what happens next. Here, Hyang Line were sleeping peacefully. According to them, Magnes were sleeping together. They were totally unaware of the mess which created by women Cook. Suddenly, Yoongi's mobile rang and he picked the call without checking the caller ID. OTP. Yoongi. Sleepy voice. Hello, who is this? Drunken state. Don't worry, T. I held him tightly. Break his teeth. Yoongi opened his eyes. Jimin. T, don't leave him. He beat poor Cookie. Don't worry, Cookie. I will beat the hell out of him. Yoongi. T, stop it. Where are you? Hello, Jimin. Are you there? Jimin. Yoongi was listening everything but call ended, which increased his tension. He went to check Magnes in their room but got shocked to see pillow and cushions under the blanket in place of women Cook. He became very furious and went to others and told everything to them. June quickly traced Jimmy's mobile and got their location. They all immediately left for the place by their cars. Meanwhile, with women Cook, they were still standing there and T was sticking with the electric pole like a cola. J Cook were holding the electric pole by their hands and hitting it by their feet. Soon everyone came there and saw them like this. Yoongi, what are they doing with electric pole? Hobie, have they lost their mind? They are hitting an electric pole? June, and where is T? He should be with them. Jin, let's go and check them. Only they can answer our questions. Jin, Cookie, Jimin, what are you doing here? Cook, Mini Yangi, this pole said something. Jimin, yeah, Cookie, I also heard he knows our names too. But it doesn't matter. Now we won't leave him. Hobie widened eyes. They are drunk? June controlled his anger. First they sneaked out from the house, after that drunk too. Let's take them home. Then I will definitely teach them a good lesson. Yoongi held Jimin's hand. Jimin, let's go home. Jimin yanked his hand. Who Jimin? I'm Chimmy Man. Jin, Chimmy Man? What's this? Jimin, just like Superman, Spider-Man, Ant-Man, Iron Man, I'm Chimmy Man. Hobie cracked up into the laughter. Chimmy Man! Jimin, don't laugh. Chimmy Man will protect all the people who are in danger. June, right now you are in trouble, baby. Who will save you? Yoongi held Cook's hand. I'm so done with you two. Now quickly sit in the car. Cook, Chimmy Man, save poor Cookie. Jimin bite Yoongi's hand. Leave him. I know you are the supporter of this mini pole and came here to protect him, but Chimmy Man will not let you do this. Yoongi, you little one. Wait, let me teach you. Jin put his hand on his shoulder. Yoongi, don't boil your blood. They aren't in their right sense. We have to take them home first. June, I think Jin Hyang is right. Let me talk them softly. Yoongi, you also try, but I know they won't listen to us. June, softly. Jimin? Jimin, send him angry glare. I'm a Chimmy man. What are you doing here? Jimin, this mini pole hit our cookie twice and didn't let him go. So now we also won't let him go. June, oh, okay, where is T? Cook, point upward. Titi Hangi went to break this mini pole's teeth. Everyone looked upward and got super shocked to see T, who was hugging their pole tightly by one hand and hitting it. After seeing him like this, Jin sat on the ground by holding his head by his hands, and others' mouths were open to see him like this. Jin, what the hell this boy doing? Hobie, I know he's such a dramatic, but like this much I didn't know. June, if he falls from it, then his all the bones break. Yoongi, they all turn totally mad. Jin shouts, T, you brat, what are you doing there? Come down fast. T, look down. No, Titi will first break its teeth. He dared to hit Titi's cookie. Jin, don't test my patience, T. Come down fast, otherwise I will beat the hell out of you by my pink sleepers. T turned his face to the side. No. Hobie, Hyang, we have to make them understand patiently. They are drunk. They won't listen to us. If you shout on them, then they will do something stupid. June, right, wait, let me try once again. To T. T, you can't break his teeth alone. First come down, we will help you to beat it, okay? T looked at him with big doe eyes. Really? You will help T? June, really? Now come fast. T, oh Titi's coming. Don't go anywhere, Kola. June looked here and there. Kola? Where is Kola? Jin, he called you as Kola. Hobie went to cook. Cookie, baby, why are you standing here? Come, let's go home. I will prepare lots of tasty dishes for my cookie. Cook licked his lips. Tasty dishes? Manga? Hobie, manga? Cook, yes, you are Cookie's manga. Hobie, okay, I'm Cookie's manga. Now let's go home. Cook, Cookie wanna come, but this mini pole doesn't let Cookie to go. It hit poor Cookie too. Hobie, don't worry, now Manga will help Cookie. Held Cook's hand and made him walk from side. See, Cookie is out now. Now let's go, okay? Cook happily. Utti! Jin, Jimin, now you also come. Let's go. Jimin, I'm Chimmy man. I can fly. Shoo. Acted to fly. Yoongi, then go and jump from the building. Jimin looked at him. Why would Chimmy man listen to cat? Yoongi widened eyes. Cat? You called me cat? Hyang, did you hear him? This little bean called me cat. Jin, I heard everything, Yoongi. Cook, no, Mini Hangi. He isn't a cat. Don't call him cat. Yoongi, tell him I'm not a cat. Cook went to him. Yes, you aren't a cat. You are Cookie's meow. Hobie rolled on the ground. Yes, you aren't a cat. You are a meow. What a nickname you got, Hyang. I can't breathe. Yoongi looked at Hobie. Shut up. Don't you dare to laugh. Cook clenched on him. Meow, don't be angry. Cookie will bring milk for meow. Petted his head. Yoongi wins. Hyang! Jimin started running here and there. Jimmy man is here to save world. Raised his one hand and acted to fly. Jimmy man is coming. T made grabby hands to June. Kola, pick the tea. June picked him in his arms. Come here, my giant bear. T, no, I'm not a bear. I'm a polar bear. June dropped on his feet. Okay, my polar bear. Now let's go home, okay? T saw a street dog and ran to him. Oh, my brother, where were you? Kissed on his forehead. Polar bear was missing you so much. Dog started barking on him. June. T, leave him, he will bite you. T. Oh, T, I'm Polar Bear, and Kola, he won't bite me. He is my brother. Hugged him tightly. June. Okay, my Polar Bear. Now let's go home. See, there is our car. T looked at the car. No, Polar Bear will come on his Bugatti. June crossed arm. And where is your Bugatti? T quickly sat on the dog. He is my Bugatti. Held dog's ears. Let's go Bugatti. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Started making car's noise. Jin was sitting on the floor and looking at the Chayos. Cook was clenching on Yoongi and calling him meow meow. Jimin was running here and there on the road and Hobie was running behind him to stop. T was sitting on the dog and playing with his ears and June was trying to stop him. None of them wanna stop. Jin was too frustrated to see this. He just wanna bang his head on the wall after seeing this. He doesn't know how to handle these drunken magnates. Jimin climbed on someone's car. Jimmy Man will jump from here, then fly in the sky. Jumped. Hobie, Minnie, quickly caught him. Jimin, Jimmy Man is flying. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Jin, we can't stay here for more time. They're getting high. I start the car. Hobie, Yoongi, bring Jimin and Cookie. June, keep your eyes on T. I will be back soon. Yoongi, June, don't let him bite. June, don't worry, Hyang. I won't let dog bite to T. Yoongi, June, I'm talking about dog. Don't let T to bite the dog. Poor dog. He must be regretting on his decision to come here. Cook, jealous. Meow meow, only Cookie can be poor. Yoongi, okay, my poor Cookie. Now let's go to home. Cook looked at him with confused eyes. Home? Yoongi, yeah, home, where you will get to eat lots of tasty dishes. Cook made O face. Oh, then let's go to home, sweet home. Quickly back hugged him. Meow meow, give Cookie to piggyback right, Utte? Yoongi, have some mercy on me. Did you see the difference between our body? How can I give you piggyback right? Cook, yeah, meow meow is small, na. How can meow meow pick Cookie? Cookie will pick meow meow. Cookie will give meow meow piggyback right. Come meow meow, climb on Cookie's back. Yoongi, no, I'm fine here. I don't want any piggyback ride. We will walk, okay? Cook, no, utte meow meow. Cookie will give meow meow piggyback ride, and that's final. With that, he forcefully made him climb on his back and started walking. As he is drunk, so he can't walk properly. He was trembling here and there, and Yoongi was tightly hugging him. He was so scared for his life. Meanwhile, with Jimin, Hobie was tightly holding Jimin's hand, and Jimin was rolling here and there. Jin was sitting on driver's seat. Jimin kept irritating them. He wanna drive the car. Jimin, squirrel, leave Jimmy Man. He wanna fly high in the sky. Hobie to Jin, Yang, why are they making us animal? Cook was calling Yoongi Hang as meow meow. T was calling June as Cola, and now he is calling me squirrel. Now only you left. Jin, maybe they saw any animal movie in the club. Where is Yoongi left? Hobie, Cookie isn't an easy task, Hyang. Jimin pulled Jin's hair to grab his attention. Archie! Jin yelled, why did you pull my hair? Jimin went to passenger seat by back seat. RJ, don't shout on Jimmy Man, otherwise Jimmy Man will cry. About to cry. Jin, no, don't cry. See, RJ won't shout. Jimin, Utti pulled Jin's cheek. RJ, your cheeks are so soft. Jin, Jimmy man, leave my cheeks, it's hurting. Jimin kissed on his both the cheeks. Now it won't hurt. Jin, go and sit on back seat. Jimin, Utti went to Hobie but peeked from there. What's this, RJ? Point on steering wheel. Jin, it's a steering wheel. We drive the car by it. Jimin immediately moved the steering wheel like this. Jin, immediately put the brake. Hobie quickly pulled him on back seat. What are you doing? Sit here quietly. We have to reach at home safely in one piece. Jimin, teary eyes. RJ, Squirrel scolded poor Jimmy man. Jin looked at him. No. Please don't cry. He wasn't scolding you. He was only talking. Jimmy, no, Squirrel scolded poor Jimmy man. Jin, Hobie, console him before he started crying and everyone think we kidnapped him. Where the hell this Yoongi left? Hobie, no baby, Squirrel loves his Jimmy man so much. Jimin looked at him. Really? Hobie, really? Jimin kept rolling on the back seat and playing with Jin and Hobie's patience. Sometimes he starts the music system, so sometimes he opened the window and he started screaming, which added fuel in Jin's anger. After waiting like ages, Cook came there, but now Cook wasn't ready to sit inside the car. Somehow, Jin forcefully made him sit inside the car and tied his seat belt. Yoongi was sitting in between Cook and getting irritated because now Cook were clinching on him. Hobie was driving the car. Jin went to June and somehow made him sit in the car and drove to their home. Time escaped at home. By lots of difficulties, Hyangs were able to bring back Magnus at home. It's late night, or should we say about the morning time. Hyangs were sitting on the couch and women Cook were running here and there. Cook was jumping on couch. Jimin was sticking with staircase railing and T was roaming in the living room while crawling. Hyangs were looking at them super frustrated eyes. They don't know what to do with them. Hobie, when will they get tired and sleep? My head started hurting. Jin, don't ask to me, Hobie. I just wanna bang my head on the wall. Yoongi, I only wanna sleep, but these three didn't let me sleep peacefully. June, Hyang, we should stop them. They will definitely hurt themselves. Jin, I wish I could pull their ear and put them asleep. Hobie, Hyang, you go and prepare hangover soup for them. Me and June will get their clothes. Yoongi widened his eyes. No, you can't leave me here alone between three monsters. Everyone just ignored him and left. Yoongi was sitting on the couch and women Cook looked at him and immediately went near him. Now Yoongi was scared for his life. Jimin sat beside him. Cat, why are you sitting like this? About to grab his hand. Yoongi, don't touch me, stay far away from me. T crawled to him. What happened? Jimin, T. Who T? I'm Polar Bear. Jimin, Polar Bear, I'm Jimmy Man. This cat doesn't let me touch himself. T looked at Yoongi. This cat is so cute. Polar Bear gave him a tight hug. Forcefully hugged him. Yoongi screamed his lungs up. Jin Hyang, please save me. Jimin hugged him too. Jimmy Man will also hug cat. Cook went to him and jumped on them and joined in hug. Cookie will also hug. Meow meow. They all hugged him tightly. Poor Yoongi was only screaming, but no one came to help him. He hates his friendship and women were clinging on him and not ready to leave him at any cost. Soon Hyangs came there and freed Yoongi from their hold. Somehow they made them change their clothes. Hobie, Cookie, baby, drink this. Cook looked at the bowl, then Hobie, what's this, manga? Hobie, this is an energy drink. Now quickly drink it. Cook, what the? started drinking it. Jimin, it's so bitter. I won't drink it. Yoongi, alcohol wasn't bitter for you, which you drunk like water. Now stop throwing tantrums and drink this quickly. Jimin, RJ, this cat is scolding Jimmy man. Jimmy man will cry. Started crying. Jin, no, Jimmy man, please don't cry. To Yoongi, what did you do? Now say I'm sorry. Yoongi, why didn't I? Why would I say sorry to him? Jin, Yoongi, my head is already hurting. Please say him sorry so that he can stop crying. Yoongi, okay, fine. Jimmy man, I'm sorry. Now stop crying and please drink your soup. Jimin, quickly stop crying. Otte! Such a drama king. June, polar bear, now finish your soup too. The polar bear will finish it if this cat give me his hand to lean. Yoongi, no ways. Jin, give his hand to T. Don't be stubborn, he won't eat you alive. I want everything to adjust, cooperate with us. Yoongi, but why only me? He has his hobby in June too. Why does he want only my hand? T leaned on his hand because polar bear loves cat. Soon they all felt dizzy and slept. June made them sleep on their room. Time skipped at the afternoon. Hyang's line was sitting in the living room and chit-chatting over some random topic. Soon Women Cook came there. Women Cook, good morning Hyang's. Jin, it's afternoon now. T, Hyang, my head aches a lot. June, Jin Hyang, give him more alcohol. Jimin, sorry Hyang. Hobie, when we strictly denied to you that you can't go to club, but then also you went there and that too by sneaking out. Cook, hide himself behind women. Sorry Hyang. Yoongi, whose idea was this? You didn't feel any shame to take Cook with yourself? Cook, I forced them to take me with themselves. They were denying, but I didn't listen to them. Sorry. June, why did you drink alcohol? Cook, I only drank milk. June shouts, from whence milk including alcohol? Jimin, he drank white wine. We were going to stop him, but he already drank that. Sorry. June, how many times you will say sorry and for which things? Do you even realize what mess you created yesterday? If we couldn't go to pick you, then what could have happened with you three? Hobie and Yuti, you climbed on electric pole. What if you fell from there or get electric shock then? Jin, for 1 month, you can't go outside for this house. We are stopping your strawberries, cheese balls and banana milk for 15 days. Yoongi, now go and kneel down at the corner for half an hour. Women Cook, sorry Hyang. Women Cook sincerely completed their punishments. After a month, Hyang took them on the picnic. They were all enjoyed a lot. Enjoyment is good, but sneaking out from the house and doing all those things which aren't good for your age is wrong. The end. Author's note. That's it, but I hope you all like it. I try to make it as funny and chaotic as I can. You all choose Yoongi to the most frustrated Hyang, so I made it according to you all. I hope you all laughed so much. I was a little bit disappointed to see this much less views on part 1. I mean, it's such a cute and funny story. It should be get more views, but it's okay. Not all the people like cute and funny stories. They are obsessed with dark fanfics. What can I do in this? Anyways, we will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. I will pin the link of part 1 in comment section, or you can click here. Part 1 is visible here. If you haven't watched yet, then please watch it. I know you won't be disappointed. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.